Alright. Hello. Welcome to Lil Place. So this is Risk of Rain 2. So, matagal ko nang nasa wishlist itong Risk of Rain, but I haven't placed it, or hindi ko pa siya binibili. Hindi ko nilalagay sa cart, so nasa wishlist lang. And hinihintay ko din na mag-sale, like below 200 pesos. So yesterday, naka-sale siya, and then I have PS Vita, so matagal na yung console na yun. And I tried, hindi naman siya hacking, hindi rin naman jailbreak. So, but basically, since matagal na, so wala naman siya nung at least yung si Sony. So, ginawa ko is, sinubukan ko yung hacking, or parang hinap. I used a non-proprietary na storage. So, I was able to download some app and some app na wherein you can download games na hindi mo kailangang bumili. So it's pirated, ika nga. And then meron doon is Risk of Rain 1. So it's a platformer style, or 2D platformer yung Risk of Rain 1, and roguelike, which is nung sinubukan ko first few minutes, yung mga 10 minutes or 30 minutes na siguro, and nagustuhan ko siya. So naalala ko after nun, pag nilalaro, naalala ko is there's a Risk of Rain 2 in Steam. So tinignan ko, nasa below 200 pesos. I think it's 80 something. So binili ko, and then I've tested few games, or few minutes. I think it's 40 minutes. Sinubukan ko, and hindi siya nakakahilo, even though it's third person. So hindi siya nakakahilo. With that long intro, let's try single player. So I have played these two heroes, the bandit. Initially itong makukuha mo, commando. As per overview, he is a jack of all trades, and ito rin yung unang hero na magagamit mo when you play the Risk of Rain 1. Hindi ko pa ito na-testing, Huntress. So let's see yung skills niya. By the way, as you can see, lahat yan parang range, except for this one, kinda weird. So yung first skill niya, or the basic attack, is a range attack. And I think that would be the burst, I think. Hindi ko alam yung iba, pero itong si Commando maganda eh. Double tap, may stun. Ang ganda na yun, may stun. So, okay, pakita muna natin to. And then there's 3 difficulties. The normal difficulty will be this guy, this middle part, Rainstorm. This is the easiest part. And of course, hard difficulty is Monsoon. Ulit din ang pangalan. So these are the skills. So it's a roguelike na bullet train or bullet hell. Tapos there are items na makukuha mo. So you kill the mobs, you kill the monsters, you get gold in exchange plus the experience. So I don't know what's the purpose of the experience, but for maybe the additional damage or additional stats. Pero for the coins or the gold, you can exchange them for some items. So ikot ka sa map, and then there will be a chest sometimes statues or shrines wherein you can exchange the coins or the currency for some items, and it's randomized. And then ang nakakatawa is those items do affect your damage. So sometimes merong stats or merong slow double damage ata meron din. And then there's uh, armor, so parang mabuff yung armor mo. Meron ding chest, or hindi siya chest, it's like 3D printer wherein there's an item there, and then you can exchange for one item. I think it also has a quality or tier. So if it's common quality, you can exchange for another common quality for that item. So kung gusto mo mag-stack up ng specific item like armor, you can do so. This one is, I think, R button. Tactical dive is your shift, that's just the dodge. This one is your second mouse button, face around. Double tap is your first or the mouse one button. So ito lang yata yung skills niya. And you have jump as well. Sige, dito lang tayo sa normal. Medyo mahirap din kasi yung kahit normal, kasi that's the way the game is meant to be played. Pero I'm not used to having, or not, I'm not used to playing this kind of game, but kind of liking it. So that's the second intro. By the way, you can pick up, or you can use E to pick up items. So that's your double tap. That's the monsters. So ito yung chest. So kailangan mo ng gold. And your objective is to look for the teleporter. And yung sa teleporter na yan is andun yung if you want to go to the next level. May mga boss there. Big boss. As your shift. I need yata laban yata yun. So yung map, I'm not sure if yung map is randomized. I mean, procedural generated, pero it's randomized kasi dito yung una map na nakuha ko. So you can press E. So if I press R, that's one, mayroong stand yun. And then this is the mouse button. I can dodge, can jump. So it's a top target. Action. Style. There usually should be a chest. Tiny copy. Blue orb. So hindi ako magaling mag-dodge. Just enjoy yan. Meron din pala siyang meron siyang fall damage. So ingat lang. Let's start. Okay, hindi siya. Basta mataas, meron siyang fall damage. Hindi ko lang alam kung as the time progresses, more enemies spawn until or unless you kill the big boss dun sa okay, this one is the teleporter, so I can press E and it will summon the big boss. Then you have to fight them. You have to kill them. Ang nga lang is ang dami. Ay naku po. Tapos mas maganda nga na or before you summon, nga lang. So before may summon yung boss, is maganda na kumbaga fully equipped ka. So, yan. Uy, naku. Hindi ka lang kung ano, yung si roguelike naman siya. So you can jump and then I mean, ang ano lang is ouch. Yeah, mas maganda nga na before you summon the boss, kailangan na fully equipped ka. So ito lang yung items na nakuha ko. And after this, nagre-reset. So sa roguelike, if you die, may resets. So ulit ka from stage 1. So hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung parang ma-unlock mo with the level. Pero ang nangyari is, ang na-unlock ko pa lang is one hero. So after ng first run or just one run, I have unlocked this guy. So meron kang dalawa. But so yun nga. Ano ba meron? Wala pa. We can try with this. Problem is it's too easy. Kukunti lang yung mobs na nag-spawn. Let's see, ano ba nga? You can press the R pala. And then this one is target naman to. Okay, mas okay to ah. Oh. Okay, that's the range. Okay. That one ricochets. Okay, si Hunter meron siyang on target. This one is the arm. Okay, maganda. Pero mas maganda yung ano eh. Mas maganda. Okay, so second button has anong tawag yung may ricochets yung second button. Ay, mas maganda kapag ka marami. Tapos ganoon din yung R niya. Mas malayo sa ito yung mga statues. Hindi ko lang paano ito pa isa-isa. Okay, max health. Nga lang yung scenario nila. Muna tayo dun sa yung dodge niya pa ako kanila. Ba't paharap naman yung dodge doon? Unlike dun sa first one, sa commander, is pwede ka mag-dodge na atlas. Oh! Ayan, this one is the 3D printer. Ayoko nun. Nakalimutan ko. And for this one, I think meron siyang limit with the map. So, pumunta ako dun sa isang, or meron ako ng first run, and then nangyari there's a full damage is parang overshoot ako sa isang map area, and meron siyang system or features wherein you'll get small damage. So you'll get damage kapag lumapas ka din sa map. Swarm of flies. mabilis nga lang yung si Commando. Yung bandit naman is okay din. Ano nga lang kasi siya, mix. So, either, I mean, yung first skill niya is range. Pero most are, okay, most na teleport. Most are melee. Parang pag-likod yata. So, maganda kung marami. Ito namang statue na to is, it's multiple pwede ka mag-exchange or ilang beses, but the more you use it, the amount of gold you have to exchange goes up. And also, is that one? Robot whale. Also, there are times na walang, okay, I think this was time. Wala kang makukuha, so gives nothing. Which is parang pangit na. Oh, 3-6. So, parang sambahan din. Yun lang. Dodge ship eh. Ano ito yung dodge ship? Dodge pasok. Iba, di dodge eh. Parang dash parang. Don't kill my drone. What is this? 10% chance, mental side. Another drone. Okay, what's here? Minsan naman, pagkakalam ko nito is may dinadrop yung kalaban. Boss fight. Okay, boss fight. So you really need you really need items, of course. bonus. So after killing the boss, you can go back here and you will be teleported to the next stage. And yun nga, as I've said, hindi ako masyadong mahilig and hindi ako masyadong magaling sa ganitong setup kasi as you go up or as you go higher or as you go farther, syempre it goes harder. And well, I'm not really mechanically gifted when it comes to moving a lot or sa ganitong klaseng laro. So mas preferred yung chill gameplay lang. Okay, dami na. Dodge or sand dodge. I have to face where I'm going. Then press the dash. It's not a dash. Ouch. So, naka dito ako titingin ka. Bleed. Nasa question mark. Nasa reach. Attack speed. Attack speed. Or wait, oh, I have Q. Forget Q. Yeah. Pero, basta nakakahilo itong ating sa tao. Tayo, baka ano naman to? Extra damage. Nice. Hindi na ng damage. Hindi na yung damage ko, sir. Humina. Galing na ba ako dito? Ito lang, wala kasing walang map. So, ang hirap. Walang sila, okay naman. Ganda nga to. Pero sa sobrang fast-paced niya, kung ano nangyari. So yeah, you can say it's like a bullet in hell. Bullet in heaven. So you get items and then you get upgraded. Or you can upgrade your regular stats. So Bison Stake gives you max health, War Banner, max speed. Ito maganda pag yan sa boss fight. Topaz Rouge, temporary barrier and kill. Extra damage to the boss. This one is bleed. Not sure what it is. 10% chance for critical strike, double damage. I think the one with bleed is say uncommon, so this one's common, right ones. Get 10% chance. You heal this time still. So not after combat Dark speed is the syringe. Shield generator. Bonus damage. And spirit speed. So those are the items I got. Not sure kung may iba pa items. So I get these points. I don't know where to spend them or what does it give. So we can go. Okay, let's try to go back. Maybe it's in here. Logbook. Oh, these are the items. So, madami-dami pa rin. Okay, these are notes. Monster, environment. Okay, I still have to unlock all these heroes. Okay, I get the drone. This one is good if this is for the damage, this one's for healing. So yeah, that's Risk of Rain 2, and I just like it. Chill gameplay. I mean, pero even though I'm not used to this kind of games, mag-enjoy ka rin naman. Which is why if you can check the store page, it has an overwhelmingly positive review. Maganda yung laro. Especially for those players who like this type of games. I'm pretty sure they would love it. So even for a chill game, this one's good. I mean, especially napakamura naman ng laro, so you should enjoy it. I mean, you will enjoy it even if you're not the market that this game is intended for. So maganda pa rin siya. Anyway, you can check Risk of Rain in Steam. Right now it's on sale. I'm not sure kung hanggang kailan to, but yeah, try it. And that's it for this game. For the demo phase.